Yo, Jamal. Jamal. Jamal.
Yo, Jamal, you know he did it. Nah, he did it on purpose.
You just lost to a 9-year-old. What the hell is you doing, bro?
Fuck out of here, bro. Hell no, bro. Like,
Oh my god. Hey! No, chill out! Chill out! Chill out! Chill out, man. Chill out.
bro, I told you to stop fucking laughing.
Chill
And
out.
I told you to stop laughing, bro. Then I told you to stop.